Welcome to another video brought to you by Tin Talks. In this video, we are going to discuss the benefits of drinking water. Let's get into the video. According to researchers, around 60% of the body is made of water. Lack of fluids in the body can lead to brain tissue shrinkage, which can put pressure on the nerve and cause pain, which is felt as a headache. Dehydration can cause headaches or may aggravate an existing health condition. Also, in order to combat fatigue, stress and boost one's energy level, drinking enough water is advised. In addition to other factors, drinking enough water can help with weight loss by boosting metabolism and suppressing appetite. Water helps clear out toxins and waste products from the body. It gives clearer skin. It reduces skin disorders. It helps to ease the bowel. It relieves constipation and reduces the risk of kidney stones, and aids proper digestion. It reduces the risk of heartburn and acidic stomach. Study shows that one of the ways to reduce joint pain is by drinking enough water. This is because water serves as a lubricant for the cartilage in the joints and other body spines. Water reduces mouth dryness by keeping the mouth moist. This also aids easy digestion. Research shows that drinking water helps to accelerate performance during exercise. It can reduce cramps and improve one's endurance threshold. Studies show that blood is made up of 90% water, and it is needed to deliver oxygen to different parts of the body. It is safe to say that water is important in getting blood. Staying hydrated repairs the brain structure and functions. Dehydration may make the brain incapacitated. Water is involved in the production of hormones and neurotransmitters. Water helps to regulate the body temperature. Water that is stored in the middle layers of the skin comes to the skin's surface as sweat when the body experiences heat. As it evaporates, it cools the body. Some scientists have suggested that, when there is too little water in the body, heat storage increases and the individual is less able to tolerate heat strain. Having a lot of water in the body may reduce physical strain if heat stress occurs during exercise. However, more research is needed into these effects. How then can I be intentional about drinking enough water? From the bulk of research that has been carried out, it shows that there is no fixed amount of water to be consumed daily. However, based on certain features like age, sex, and other factors, what a healthy fluid intake is has been suggested. It has been studied that women should aim for 2.7 liters, men should aim for 3.6 liters, and for children a minimum of 1 liter. It is also important to note that while natural water in its form is the best, there are certain fruits that have high water content that can be taken as a substitute on some occasions. For example, we have oranges, watermelon, spinach, and so on. We should bear in mind that drinking water adds many health and physical benefits to us. We should be intentional about drinking enough water daily. Have you taken a cup of water today? If not, what are you waiting for? Hey there, why haven't you subscribed to the channel? Do well to subscribe, like, share and comment on the video to get it across to more viewers. See you in the next video. Bye.